What's up guys, welcome to Superpower Style. This is Prachi and today we're gonna have some fun with makeup. So I'm gonna create a dewy bridal makeup look. The look I'm trying to create is gonna be very clean, very simple yet super cute. So guys, there's gonna be a lot of fun and all the products I'll be using today are from Maybelline New York. You can get these on my brand store which is now live on Amazon. Follow the link in the description box and visit the my brand store today. So yes, let's get started and let's do some makeup. So I've already cleaned and moisturized my face. Moisturizing is super important before you do your makeup, especially for those who have dry skin. Now I'm going to start with the Maybelline New York Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. This one is suited for normal to dry skin and contains vitamin E, a super hydrating formula for that long lasting wear. It preps up the skin super well, making it smooth and gives a lovely dewy finish that lasts up to 12 hours. Quick tip, apply this about 5 minutes before your makeup to allow it some time to settle in well. Next I have one of my all-time favorite foundations, which is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless 16-hour oil control foundation. It contains SPF 22 and my shade is 128 Warm Nude. I love how it's a lightweight foundation with natural buildable coverage and matte finish. I prefer applying it with a damp beauty blender, although you can use a brush or your fingertips as well. The beauty blender I feel gives me a more airbrush natural look. Quick hack, do not rub the blender on your skin if you're using a blender. Just tap like I'm doing till the whole thing has blended in perfectly well. And now for my dark circles and the spots and scars, I'll be using the Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer in the shade 120 Light. I love how it's a do-it-all concealer which conceals dark circles, corrects redness, contours and highlights, blending smoothly and evenly without creasing. So I'm just using my fingertips to blend it, but you can use a beauty blender or a brush as well to get that super flawless natural look in the easiest, fastest way possible. For the next step, I have with me the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder. Once again, my shade is 128 Warm Nude and I love that it contains SPF 28 with PA+++ protection. It provides a long-lasting shine control and mattifies with up to 12-hour wear for a natural poreless looking finish. And in case you're wondering, yes guys, I'm just using a little bit because I want my makeup to hold up longer for sure, but do not use too much if you want that dewy finish, since this powder actually has a matted texture. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Instant Matte Setting Spray. It contains witch hazel. It's a non-comedogenic formula designed to lock in your makeup and deliver a matte look for up to 24 hours of transfer-proof makeup. And yes, I know you probably wanted me to use this at the end of the makeup, which I will do, but I actually like using my setting spray twice during my makeup. It's a great hack I learned during my own wedding to make your makeup last even longer. For the lips, I have with me the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink. So I actually have this in many shades. It actually has 25 shades guys, ranging from reds to plums to pinks to browns and nudes. Today I'll be using 225 Delicate Lip Color. As you can see, it has a very rich texture, easy application, highly pigmented, and the color looks absolutely stunning. It's also transfer proof with 16 hours stay. And here's a quick hack guys, dab a little highlighter on the lips for that little extra glam during your wedding day. For the highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline New York Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. It uses a wet technology to create rich hued, heated tones effect. The metallic pearls create a reflective chrome sheen, and I'm just using this on the high points of my face. You can use a brush also. I'm just using my fingertips because it does the job really well. Make sure to blend well to avoid any harsh lines, and do you see that guys? This highlighter can really make you glow. I'll also be dabbing a little bit of the blush, for which I'm using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Blush Reno in the shade Brave. Though there are other shades available too, so you can take your pick. It gives a 16-hour wear, it's super pigmented, blends smoothly, it's ultra breathable, and there's a shade for all skin tones. I picked up this particular shade because I wanted my makeup to look minimalistic and just dabbing a little bit to add that soft flush to the cheeks. For my brows, I'll be using the Maybelline New York Tattoo Brow Gel in the shade Deep Brown. I love how it's a waterproof, smudge proof, and a long-lasting formula with a brush designed for coloring and defining. As you can see, I already have very thick eyebrows, so I just use this gel to give me a more fuller sculpted look. However, if you have thinner eyebrows, you can actually use this to create some volume because, as you know, brows refine your full look. For the eyeshadow, I have with me the Maybelline New York, the City Mini Palette in the shade 5th Avenue Sunset. It's a perfectly curated 6-color eyeshadow palette with pure color pigments that melt into the eyelid for the dramatic impact in a single sweep. I love how the colors are super saturated, very pigmented, and designed to deliver that long-lasting finish. Now, as you guys know, I'm not someone who uses eyeshadow with brushes, so I'm going to create my look using my fingertips. I'm going to start with the matted shade, dab dab dab, and blend this in with my glitter shade. Make sure to blend the colors really well even if you're just using your fingertips to get those perfectly pretty eyelids. Then moving to the Maybelline New York Colossal Bold Liner. I love its precision brush, guys. It makes winged eyeliner look so easy. It's so easy to work with. I love using it for that bold, intense black look that's long-lasting, smudge-proof and waterproof. And now it's time for the kajal, guys, for which I'm using the Maybelline New York Colossal Kajal. It's designed to last up to 24 hours. It's a waterproof and smudge-proof formula once again. One kajal, many looks. It contains aloe vera. It's super soft and easy to glide across and so easy to work with. I love the jet black color and it just looks so beautiful. For the last and final step, I have with me the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. It adds length and volume to the lashes using the Flex Tower brush that reaches every lash without clumping. The formula is lightweight and once again waterproof, so it will hold your lashes without smudging or flaking at all. I love the fluttery look it gives to my otherwise droopy eyelash in just an instant. And finally, let's not forget the setting spray. Yes, just 2 short sprays of this and there we have it, the makeup is all locked in. And here's the final look, guys. Oh wait, let me change into an outfit that does justice to this makeup. And here's the final look, guys. So guys, this look was super fun to create and I bet it'll be super fun to recreate as well. So if you recreate this look, please share your versions with me on Instagram. I would love to see what you guys create, what you come up with. And as for today's video, guys, all the products that I use in today's video, I will share the links for those in the description box below. You can check them out. You can get these on my brand store, which is now live on Amazon. Follow the link in the description box and visit the My Brand store today. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwow Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye. Bye.